Making your Discovery 3 look a little bit more like a Discovery 4 is rather simple. Thankfully, the rear lights you can swap over with one simple crosshead screwdriver. This is the original 2005 halogen set that I got on the back of my car, and these lovely 2009 LED Discovery 4 lights I picked up from a forum member just a few miles down the road for £110 for the pair. So they are plug and play, straight out and straight in, swap over. So if we head outside, I'll show you how it's done. So outside we have got nothing more complex here. The old light unit sitting in place nicely, and we've got the new unit ready to go in. There are two crosshead screwdrivers in here, and if I move the camera around, you can see there is one at the top and then we've got one at the bottom just here. Now the next bit's really rather simple. There are two lugs that are holding it in place. There's nothing mechanical beyond that. And if you get your fingers behind it, you'll find the unit itself will pop out. Now that plug, interestingly, is fairly loose, but that plug merely connects into that point there and it comes out. There's a little clip, you press it in on the side and that one pulls out. Get a new one back in. There's a straight reversal. Plug in, clips in place. These two aluminium lugs here locate into the holes. Give it a slight bit of encouragement. And then each of the two screws head straight into these holes. Et voila! And for effect, I will turn the engine on.